we touched on, as you said, like everyone's kind of connected to the internet. We've got like 3 billion people connected at any one time on a daily basis. I think something that's quite topical here is around cloud security, especially, you know, we talk to people on a daily basis by design, because the organisation that we work with and for, and the organisations that we provide solutions for, a lot of these organizations are migrating their on-premise infrastructure into the cloud. So a lot of these organizations are in a kind of a hybrid environment at the moment. But we are seeing huge cloud adoption. And obviously that's been accelerated by remote workforces and a number of other different factors. So cloud computing is obviously the future and the way forward for a number of different reasons. But I'd like to kind of get your opinion and talk a little bit more about how important it is now to not only think of the productivity that we get from cloud solutions and the cost benefits, but I think we should also be talking a lot more about implementing good, solid and strategic cloud security programs. Could you explain to us a little bit about that and your views on that as well?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question, and there are layers in this question. Yeah, cloud is a fascinating technology. There is no second thought around it. It started in 2006, by the way, by Amazon, and then Google and Microsoft adopted in 2008. Things have changed dramatically, and as you mentioned, work from home, pandemic, it has really accelerated this growth of cloud adoption. Experts say that 70% of the businesses are actually using some form of cloud. Yeah. So if, let's say, you are watching Netflix movies, you are actually accessing some cloud service, whether it's your Google Drive or your OneDrive, you access some form of cloud. And adoption of cloud has brought a huge shift, a paradigm shift. Like Netflix literally made billions once they moved on to the cloud. And I think when organizations are building their cloud strategy, it's very essential thing to understand, though looks very simple, but people miss the basic concept that cloud is a form of outsourcing. Yeah. You are outsourcing your infrastructure to someone else. So once you outsource, you're talking about a third-party risk management. And in cybersecurity, third-party risk management is a very crucial component, which we largely focus on. So once you are building your cloud security program, I think one of the key things you have to note is that the concepts remain, again, the standard ones. And what do I mean by that? That when you are building a cybersecurity program or a cloud security transformation program, you should understand what is the valuable data you are trying to protect, where exactly is this data going to reside. Is it going to be residing in the UK, US, your hometown? Where exactly? What are the jurisdictions? What are the regulations you have to abide by? Who has access to this data? So these are the very key factors which you have to delve into. There are various frameworks available out there. So the simple analogy to explain a novice in this field is, so let's say you have something valuable with you. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, in case you have a Bitcoin, something which is valuable and you want to protect. Now, someone approaches you and he says, hey, you look quite apprehensive in, the protection of your asset. If you want, you can put it in my secure facility, and all you have to do is just pay some $100 and that's it. So are we just going to go ahead and give our valuable item to them, having no clue where are they based, how are they going to protect it? No way. So cloud is similar to that. Yeah, cloud is a place where you're going to store something valuable. Now, if you don't know where that place is, who is going to access that data, how are you going to get back that data? There is no way you should actually proceed with the cloud transformation. So do your due diligence before you move on. And last but not the least, I would like to say is find your crown jewels. In every organizations, you have valuable data. Find that valuable data, and then you build your cybersecurity strategy around it. Because in our space, it's quite common that you have $1,000 asset and you just put a $5 fence, which sounds ridiculous. But more ridiculous thing is you have a $5 asset and you're putting a $1,000 fence around it. And I see such things all day long. So do the basics.